we divide 146 by 5 in a long division method. So 5 times 2 is 10. On subtracting we get 4. So now we put down this 6 and it is 46. 5 times 9 is 45. On subtracting we get 1. So now there is no other number to put it down. So we take here decimal, so that we put 0. So it is 10 and 5 times 2 is 10. On subtracting we get 0. So 146 divided by 5 is 29.2. So this much for today and thanks for watching.